Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a look with you. It's going to be look number 1 using the Beauty Glazed Reversal Planet palette. This is not a new palette, but I wanted to share with you. I got this palette for my birthday. This palette is a couple years older, but it is one of Beauty Glazed's top rated palettes. I first saw this palette on TEMU for $15 and I started searching and I found it on Amazon for $10 and I bought it for my birthday, or I should say my husband did. And some of the clips are messed up in this video, but we're just gonna roll with it. Beauty Glazed Reversal Planet palette, and I use the Profusion eyeshadow primer. I'm using straw on a more thin tapered blending brush, and I'm applying that halfway into the crease. So half of the crease is going to be yellow, the other half is going to be green, and this look is a bright, fun look for spring or summer. The next shade is just called Olive, and it is a matte green olive shade. I did put powder under the eye to catch fallout, but you will see that there is like hardly any, like no fallout with this eyeshadow palette. It's amazing. This is the second time, I believe, or no, I had some Beauty Glazed palettes in the past, and that was one order. So in the past I've tried Beauty Glazed, but these are amazing eyeshadows. So this is a navy blue. I'm taking that on a blending brush and I'm going to apply it in the outer corner. Look how pigmented these eyeshadows are, and they blend together so easily. Now granted, the ones that I am blending right now are the same texture, the same finish. They're all matte, but still, this is absolutely stunningly gorgeous in my opinion, and it went perfect with the white dress I'm wearing on this day with the blue flowers and the green leaves. So stunning. This shade in Ivory, but it's like this shimmery champagne, slightly darker champagne-y kind of color. Sometimes I can be a little bit horrible at describing colors, but I use that wet on the brush, and I only dip my wet brush into half of the eyeshadow. So if I do get hard pan, it's only going to be on half, which I did not. And this is so pretty. Now the shimmery shades were a little chunky and they will give me a little bit of fallout, but the matte shades did not. And I'm just going to go through and add color where it needs to be and blend a little. I'm going to show you that there's like no fallout. So I'm going to wipe that away and start on my lower lash line, which I'm going to do the same on the lower lash line as I did in the upper crease, which is going to be in the outer corner. So the navy blue, the olive shade, and straw. So yellow, green, and blue on the lower lash line. I wanted something really fun on this day, and I love how this looks. Profusion glitter, I'm applying that in the inner corner. I'm trying to use this up to my project pan, so I'm going to apply this in my inner corner, and I'm just trying to use it up. Same for this NYX single eyeshadow in Pure Skin. I'm using that as a highlight, and then I realized that I actually want something else heavier to blend that down, so I'm using an e.l.f. Camo Powder to do so. And I use a light hand with this because this powder is so potent, and I will use that to blend down the crease shades. And once those are all blended together, I'm using the WetnWild Breakup Eyeliner and this yellow eyeliner that I found on TEMU. And I'm also going to be using the AOA Studio 3D Faux Mink lashes in the style Amanda in the AOA Studio Lash Adhesive. And I'm going to apply my lashes and just a regular way today. Last time I did MissVeronika's way, and it was awesome top. If you don't know, I'm going to link her channel below so you can see what I'm talking about. Here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. For lips, I did use a lippy that I found on TEMU, so all that stuff will be in the description box below, an entire product list. So I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and looks using the Beauty Glazed Reversal Planet palette. Thank you guys so very much for watching. This is such a cheap and affordable palette. It is so pigmented. It's such a beautiful color story. You guys will enjoy the looks I'm going to come up with. So I thank you so very much for watching. And don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links, as well as that product list. Stay tuned for more videos like these.